Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to slaughter again the chicken. Wala kaming ulam. Ah, init. Oh. Very hot. So guys, let's see what's gonna happen. Hi guys, welcome back. Look, I'm gonna take the chicken inside. Let's go, samahan niyo ako.
May bisa di kas dalam bio tas taas ka.
I can catch the chicken today. Where is the chicken? Oh, this one. I want. I don't know how. This guys, nakuha ko ang manok. Ito, ang lulutuin natin. Ang hirap dito, guys. Manok. So, I'm gonna slash this one. Very nice. Ay, trapo eh. Siguro tayo yung binituan niya, kuya ay. Guys, I wear heels. Must be unique. Ang ako sa this chicken. Oh, my heels. Ganon, like this. Then, cut. Guys, I'm wearing gloves. Remember, I wear gloves now. Thank you, my viewers. You suggest me to wear gloves. So guys, I already done to slaughter the chicken. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channels, like, share. Okay guys? So, thank you for comments, my viewers. Please hindi na, tama na. Nagigwa mo na po? Ha?
Oo.
Kasi ano ha? Palpak naman ha? Guys, it's already take the skin feeder, so I gotta cut.